Hi friends, let us discuss some theory part regarding number series and also the questions related to number series. Okay, now before going to crack the questions of number series, let us see some theory of progressions, right? So how many progressions are there? And everybody know about arithmetic progression AP. Now when the series is like this, a comma a plus d comma a plus 2d, when the series is in the form of additive things means addition of the things, then that series is arithmetic progression. First term of arithmetic progression is called a, common difference is called d. Right, now how do you find out the nth term of the progression? Arithmetic progression, see here, nth term. How can you find out nth term? Right, nth term is nothing but a plus n minus 1 into d. Right, if you know this nth term, then you can find out how many numbers are there between that first number and the nth term. See here, if you consider this nth term as L, now this is nothing but L minus A comes to left hand side by D is equal to n minus 1. Now totally L minus A by D plus 1 is equal to n. So you can find out how many numbers are there between those two terms. This is a way to find out the number of terms between the series. Okay, next, sum of n terms of a arithmetic progression, sum of n terms in a arithmetic progression. Then how will you find out this? This is nothing but equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Right, this is the way to find out for sum of n terms. Now the next one is geometric progression. Geometric progression, the series will be like this: ar square, so on up to ar n to the power of minus 1. When the series is in multiplicative effect, then that is called geometric progression. Okay, then how will you find out the sum of terms in geometric progression? Sum of terms, see here, this is the formula to find out a into r to the power of n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 when r is greater than 1. R is nothing but common ratio. R is nothing but common ratio and a is the first term of the series. When r is less than 1, how will you find out the sum of term? When r is less than 1, when r is less than 1, then that will be equal to a into 1 minus r to the power of n divided by 1 minus r. Okay, this will be when r is less than 1. Now arithmetic mean is nothing but your normal average. Geometric mean is nothing but, see here, when three terms are in geometric progression, then find out geometric mean means b is equal to root of AC. Right, have you got this? So when there are infinite terms in a series, then how can you find out the sum of n terms? Sum of n terms is equal to a of a by 1 minus r. Sum of infinite terms, n is infinity, sum of infinite terms a by 1 minus r. Right, or see here the last one, harmonic progression. Harmonic progression, right, this is nothing but inverse of arithmetic progression. See here, HP, harmonic progression is inverse of arithmetic progression. We don't need to worry for harmonic progressions. Mostly in aptitude there will be no questions on harmonic progressions. When you inverse AP, then that will be harmonic progression. Right, so let us start with the questions. Okay, now observe this series: 320 comma 343 comma 368 comma 395 comma 424. So that what will be the next number? See here, your arithmetic progressions are basic steps. You that cannot be used in every question. There might be many changes in the question. Okay. Now see here, what's the difference? Observe here. Observe the things. See here. 320 plus 23 will lead you to 343. 343 plus 25 will lead you to 368. So observe the numbers, right? 368 plus 27 will lead you to 395. 395 plus 29 will lead you to 424. So see here, what are the terms that are added? 23, 25, 27, 29. So the next number must be 31. That is equal to how much? 455. That is your answer. Next one. 79, 92, 118, 157, 209 it seems. Now how the series is patterned? The previous one is additive one. Now see here, observe this. 79 plus 13 is nothing but 92. 92 plus 26 is nothing but 118. 118 plus 39 is nothing but equal to how much? 157. 157 plus 52 is equal to 209. Observe the things here. This is 13 table. 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39, 13 fours are 52. Now the next number must be what? Plus 13 fives are 65. Your answer is nothing but what? 274. 209 plus 65 is 274. Next question. 69, 83.5, 112.5, 156, 214. Find out the next number. So how the number will be find out? See here. 69 plus 14.5 will give you 83.5. Now observe the things here. 83.5 plus 14.5 into 2 will lead you to how much? 29. So 83.5 plus 29 will lead you to 112.5 plus 14.5 into 3 will give you how much? 14.3. 14.5 into 3 will lead you 43.5. So the next number will be 156, right? Plus 14.5 into 4 is nothing but 58. That will lead you to 214. Now the next number must be 214 plus 72.5. So your answer must be 286.5. Right? Observe the series things, guys. Okay, it can be done in multiple ways. I am explaining only you a one way, right? You can do it in many ways. This is not only the one way to crack the number series. Okay, right? Next one. See here, this is an easy thing. 18, 19. So 18 will lead you to 19. It seems we cannot say from this. From 19 there is a difference of 4. There is nothing but 2 square will lead you to 23. So next one, 23 to 50, what is the difference? Is it 27? That is nothing but 3 square. 3 square, that will lead you to 50. Is it 3 square? No, 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 no. 3 cube, right? 27 is 3 cube plus 50 plus 4 square will lead you to 66. Now next number must be 5 cube. 125 plus 66 will give you answer 191. So there is no option here. Option is none of these. So this will be 1 cube. Next, 4, 7, 16, 43. Find out the next number and 367 it seems. So how it is cracked? Let us see here. 4 plus 3 will lead you to 7. And what is the difference between 16 and 7? Is it 9? Yes. So that is nothing but 3 square. 16 plus 27 will lead you to 43. So 3 square is 43. So 43 plus 3 to the power of 4 will lead you to the answer, that is nothing but 124. The next one will also help you to know the answer. Check this. Next, 7, 13, 25, question mark here, 75, 17 it seems. So this is a typical series. Find it out this. What is the difference between 7 and 13? Is it 6? Yes. 7. So this is written as like this. 7 plus 2 into 3 will lead you to 13. Now 13 and 25. 13 plus, see here 3 came here. 3 into 3, next number 4. So 13 plus 12 lead you 25. Next 25 plus 4 here, 4 into 5, 20. So that is nothing but 45. And again 45 plus 5 into 6, 75. So your series is correct. This is the pattern followed in the series. So answer is 45. Next one, 4, 7, 15, question mark 54, 89 it seems. So how can you find out this? 4 and 7, there is a difference of 3. Okay. Next one, 7 to 15, what is the difference there? Is it 8? Now can we write this pattern like this? 4 plus 2 square minus 1 is equal to 7. 7 plus 3 square minus 1 is equal to 15. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. Now see here, 15 plus 4 square minus 1. So that will be answer 30. Your next number must also match, right? 30 plus 5 square, 25 minus 1, that will lead you to 54. Yes, your series is correct. So answer is 30. Next one, 15, 21, 33, 51, 75. Find out the last one it seems. So what is the series followed here? See here, 21 minus 15 is equal to 6. 33 minus 21 is equal to 12. 51 minus 33 is equal to 18. 75 minus 51 is equal to 24. See, the observe the differences, they are in 6 table. So the next difference must be 30. So x minus 75 must be 30. So x must be 75 plus 30. That is nothing but 105. Right. Next one. 940, 844, 796, 772, 760 it seems. So 940, 844, 796, 772, 760 is the thing. What is the difference between this? Is it 96? Yes. What is the difference between this? 844 minus 796? Is it 48? See here, 96 by 2 will lead you to 48. 796 by 72 is 24. 48 by 2 is 24. 772 minus 760 is 12. 24 by 2 will lead you to 12. Now after 760, what will be the thing? 12 by 2 minus 6. So a difference of 6 must be there. So your answer is 754. Next question, 24, 33, 58, 107, 188 last number. So observe the numbers here, 24, 33, 58, 107, 188. Now what is the difference here? 24 minus 33 is 9. So 33 minus 58, what is the difference here? Is it 25? Observe the thing, it is in 3 square, so this is 5 square. 58 minus 107, I mean 107 minus 58 is nothing but 49, that is 7 square. So the next difference is nothing but 81. Observe the things here. 188 minus 87 is in the form of 81. Yes, 81 9 square. So the next must be surely in 11 square additive form, right? 188 plus 11 square 121 will lead you to how much? 309. So answer is 309. Next question. Observe the things there. 9, 19, 59, question mark, 119, 7199 it seems. So how will you find out this series? Right? See here, 9 and 19. If 9 into 2 is 18 plus 1 will lead you to 19. 19 into 3 plus 2 will lead you to 59. See the pattern followed here. 59 into 4 plus 3 will lead you to 239. The next one must also be satisfied. 239 into 5 plus 4 is nothing but how much? Observe the things there. 239 into 5 is 1195 plus 4 1199. So this is 1195 plus 4 is your next number. Yes, so the pattern is correct. So answer must be 239. Next, see here the number is 877, 870, 859, 846, 8, oh, the question mark, and the remaining number is 810. Now what is the difference between 877 minus 70? This is equal to 7. Now 870 minus 850, 870 minus 859 will lead you to 11. Yes, yes. 859 minus 846 is 13. See here, and this number, these are prime numbers, 7, 11, 13. Next prime number is 17. So 846 plus 17 will lead you to 829. Now sorry, 846 minus 17 will lead you to 829. Now 829 minus the next prime number is 19. 19 will lead you to 810. So our format is correct. Next, 7, 8, 20, 69, question mark, 1485 it seems. Now, how will you frame this? See here. Observe from here first. 8 from 8. 8 into 2 is 16. 16 plus 2 square is 20. 20 into 3 plus 3 square will be 69. The next one must be 69 into 4 plus 4 square. Yes, 69 into 4 is nothing but 276 plus 4 square is nothing but 292. Yes, your next number must also be satisfied. 292 into 5 plus 5 square is nothing but, observe this, 292 into 5 is equal to 1460 plus 25, 1485. So our pattern is correct. Okay, so answer is 292. Next one, 8, 9, 17, 44, 108 it seems. Now how will you do this? Right, see here, 8 plus 1 will lead you to 9. 9 plus 17 is, difference is 8, so it is 2 cube will lead you to 17. 17 plus 3 cube is 27. So 27 plus 17 will lead you to 44. Yes, we are right. 44 plus 4 cube will lead you to how much? 108. 4 cube is nothing but 4. 4 are 16, 64. Yes, 108. Now 108 plus 5 cube, 108 plus 125 will lead you to 233. Yes, our pattern is correct. Okay, so 233 is the answer. Right. Now see here, we have to find out the second one only. So we'll come from this side. Okay. Okay. Now see here, 3360. Right, when you multiply 1680 into 2 will lead you to 3360. Am I right? Observe here, 2 8s are 16, 13. Yes, you are right. Now if you multiply 672 into 2.5 will lead you to 1680. Observe the calculations, right? 672 into 2.5, yes, will lead to 1680. Now 224 into 3 will lead you to 672. Yes. Now the next number must be sure shortly. See here, question mark into 3.5 must lead to 2.4. And again the next number 16 into 3.5 is, this must be 4. So the next number must be 64. Am I right? So 64 into 3.5 must lead to 224. Yes, in the question mark place 64 will be there, into 3.5 will lead to 24. So answer is 64. Right? Thank you.